Have you ever wished you could boost your income without taking on another demanding full-time job? Imagine having the flexibility to earn extra cash on your terms, right from the comfort of your home. Having multiple income streams gives you a sense of security and opens up so many possibilities. Whether you want to leverage your creative talents, share your academic knowledge, indulge your entrepreneurial spirit, or trade from the comfort of your home, there's a perfect option waiting for you in this video. The possibilities are endless once you commit to taking action. All right, let's get into hustle number 1, shall we? Freelance writing. Do words flow from your fingers onto the page? Do you dream up stories and articles effortlessly in your free time? Well, listen up, because we've got the ideal side hustle to turn your writing talent into cold, hard cash. Let's talk about freelance writing. Mark Twain once said, "Write without pay until somebody offers to pay." And we agree. Build up those writing credentials first before charging top dollar for your skills. Here's a quick 4-step process. Step 1. Sign up on popular freelancing sites like Upwork, Fiverr, or FlexJobs. Fill out your profile highlighting relevant experience, skills, and portfolio samples. Step 2. Set your rate, which can range from 15 cents to $1 per word as you build credibility. Step 3. Start bidding on writing projects that match your niche. There's no limit. Blogs, web content, social captions, white papers, ebooks, the sky's the limit. Step 4. Deliver outstanding work on your first few assignments to get those 5-star reviews. This gives your profile a trustworthy boost. Aspiring writers, listen up. Subject matter expert James Chartrand shared that when he first started out, he charged just $15 for a full blog post. But within a few years, he was making $75,000 a month. With top-notch writing skills, you could earn anywhere between $30 to $100 per hour through freelancing. And with a flexible schedule, it can easily fit right into your free evenings or weekends. If you gained any value from this video so far, I'd be happy if you hit the subscribe button. It supports our team to bring you more content. All right, on to side hustle number 2. This one is for entrepreneurs out there. Let's talk about e-commerce. E-commerce business. Imagine leaving your job one day to be your own boss. You wake up when you want, brew your morning coffee, and head right to your home office. You open your laptop to find new orders flooding in for your e-commerce store. You're making sales daily, even while you sleep. My friends, this is the passive income dream an online business can provide. Now, launching an e-commerce store does require some upfront effort. The first step is choosing a niche you're truly passionate about with proven market demand. Think makeup, fitness products, dog accessories, anything people are already spending money on. Next, set up your slick online storefront through platforms like Shopify or Wix. Add your products, write enticing descriptions, and integrate seamless payment checkout. But here's the real work: driving traffic to your products through smart marketing. Promote your store on social media, run targeted ads, and send out email newsletters. Handle logistics like inventory and order fulfillment. The payoff? A typical e-commerce store can earn anywhere from a few hundred to tens of thousands per month. But it does require an initial investment of around $500 to $5,000. So if you've got that enterprising spirit and don't mind some risk, this could be the game-changing income stream to pursue. Use your creative marketing skills and solid business acumen to build a profitable online store from the ground up. What do you think? Is e-commerce a side hustle you'd have the persistence to succeed with? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Now let's move on to side hustle number 3, online tutoring. Do you have a trove of knowledge just waiting to be passed down? Have you considered sharing your academic expertise with students around the world? Well, the answer is online tutoring. With just a laptop and internet access, you can start tutoring students across the globe without ever leaving your home office. By sharing your specialized knowledge in subjects like math, science, languages, and more, you can directly impact young minds while earning a healthy income. It's a win-win. The process is simple. Just create a profile on platforms like Varsity Tutors, Wyzant, or Chegg Tutors. Provide details on your academic qualifications, teaching experience, and areas of specialty, and set your availability and hourly rates. Once set up, students can book sessions with you through the site. deliver personalized one-on-one lessons, help explain difficult concepts, and upload any extra lesson plans or exercises. Based on their skills and experience, tutors typically charge $20 to $100 per hour. By tutoring just 5 students per week at $50 per hour, you can make an extra $1,000 monthly. You set your own flexible schedule, logging in for sessions before or after your day job. The main requirements? Solid expertise in academic subjects, effective teaching skills, and strong communication. But with the right nurturing approach, you can make a huge impact while earning on the side. If you're still here, then we suppose you're gaining some value from the video. However, if you've yet to subscribe, could you take a second to hit the subscribe button? Alright, next up, side hustle number 4. This one is for my creative friends out there. Let's talk content creation. Content creation has become a phenomenally popular side hustle in the digital age. If you have a hobby, talent, or skill, you can now monetize it by sharing online content. Your first step is choosing a niche. Cooking, travel, video gaming, fashion, the options are endless. Identify what you enjoy doing and can create content around consistently. Next, select the right platform. YouTube for videos, a blog for writing, and Etsy for handmade goods. This is where you'll build your audience. The most important step? Creating and sharing high-quality content regularly that provides value. Post videos, write blog posts, and upload products consistently. Respond to comments and engage with your community. Once you've built a loyal audience, you can monetize through ads, affiliate marketing, paid products, and brand sponsorships. The sky's the limit. It takes patience and persistence, but content creators can realistically earn an extra $1,000 to $5,000+ per month within 12 to 18 months. Lifestyle vlogger Sarah Hawkins said, "It took me 14 months of weekly uploads before I could leave my teaching job. Now I earn over $7,000 per month on YouTube with the freedom to work from anywhere." Alright friends, we've covered many amazing side hustle options. If any are resonating with you, hit that like button to show your support. And make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our new videos. Now let's get into our list's final 3 side hustles. Stock trading. If you have strong research skills, patience, and some risk tolerance, stock trading allows you to earn lucrative returns right from home by buying and selling securities. But fair warning, you must properly educate yourself before putting any real money on the line. Start by reading books, taking courses, paper trading. Open a brokerage account with a platform like E-Trade or Robinhood. Here's where the real work comes in. Diligently researching companies, using tools to identify opportunities, constantly monitoring markets, and executing informed trades. Don't rely on hot tips. Create your own trading strategy. Experienced stock investors can earn 15 to 30% returns on their portfolio annually. So with a $5,000 investment, that could mean an extra $750 to $1,500 monthly. Returns scale up as your investment and account size grows. While trading does require analytical skills and risk tolerance, the income potential is huge. As Warren Buffett says, risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. So educate yourself thoroughly before getting started. What do you think? Is stock trading a side hustle you'd be up for learning? Let us know in your thoughts. Virtual assistant. If you're highly organized and love administrative work, consider offering your skills as a virtual assistant. Entrepreneurs worldwide are outsourcing tasks like email management, data entry, customer service, graphic design, and more to specialized assistants so they can focus on high-level work. You can work from anywhere with just a laptop and internet if you have expertise in areas like email and calendar management, data entry and research, bookkeeping, web development, and customer service. Create a profile on sites like Upwork, Fancy Hands, or Zirtual, showcasing your skills, experience, and tools you're proficient in. Set your availability and hourly rate, typically $15 to $40 based on your niche. Once hired by clients, communicate clearly and ensure you deliver excellent work consistently. This results in glowing reviews and ongoing referrals over time. Virtual assistants can make $1,000 to $3,000 plus per month, working just 5 to 10 flexible hours per day from anywhere in the world. I hope this video gave you a spark of inspiration and some concrete options to start generating more cash on your terms right from home. Just remember, no matter which side hustle resonates with you, the key is to start. Take that first step, put in consistent effort, and have patience as you build up your skills and income over time. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your side hustle empire. But with commitment and smart strategy, you can create multiple streams of income that give you more control, freedom, and financial security. So here's our challenge for you. Take just 1 hour in the next few days to seriously look through these side hustles again and identify the top 2 or 3 that you want to explore further. Once you do that, let us know in the comments which options appealed to you the most. Now, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it so others can benefit from this knowledge too. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you're notified as soon as we release the next video, where we will be revealing the step-by-step blueprint for turning your side hustle idea into a steady flow of income in just 30 days or less. You won't want to miss it. See you in the next video.